Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right front surface element in your double oven electric range, be sure to shut off the power supply to the outlet or junction box. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, carefully lift off the top. Detach the surface element retaining clips from the support panel. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them from the terminals. Prepare the new surface element for installation by transferring the spring clips from the old element to the new one. Use the numbers engraved on the base to position the clips in the proper locations. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Insert the clips into the slots in the support panel and snap the new element into place. Reinstall the main top by positioning the rear edge under the control panel support brackets. Align the front edge, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Restore power to the outlet or junction box, and the electric range should be ready for use.